You've just won a vehicle. What's next? First, you'll receive an email confirmation from Copart after the live online auction. You'll need to set up payment within 3 business days, including the day of sale, to avoid any issues collecting your vehicle. Copart accepts a number of payment options for your convenience, including cashier's checks, money orders, wire transfers, and credit and debit card payments. For a full list of payment options, visit copart.com/payment. Once you've paid in full, you can pick up your vehicle. Remember that payment should include any applicable fees and sales tax. After payment, arrange to pick up your lot from the facility within 5 business days of a winning internet bid, including the day of sale, or within 3 business days of a winning kiosk bid, including the day of sale. After this complimentary storage period, you will incur a small storage fee each day the vehicle is stored at the Copart location. There are a few things to remember when picking up your vehicle at the facility. Schedule pickup during normal business hours. Have your member number and lot numbers of the vehicles being picked up. Loading is first come, first served. Flatbed trucks are recommended for safe transportation of your vehicle. All heavy and medium-duty lots are self-load only. Need assistance transporting your vehicle? Use the delivery quote tool on the lot details page. Simply enter the destination zip code to get a real-time estimate on transportation cost. Copart works with third-party tow providers to provide shipping on many vehicles. To see if transportation is available on the vehicle you won, visit Payments Due immediately following the sale. If shipping is unavailable, we suggest exploring other third-party providers or contacting a Copart representative for assistance. Visit copart.com/learn for more helpful information on bidding and winning.